guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm doing a fashion and beauty haul, and this haul isn't going to be super long. I didn't purchase a lot of things. I purchased things from 3 different stores, and they did also have a giant sale on Victoria's Secret, and I saw a couple of things on that and I was like, I need to take advantage of this offer, and I believe everything is still available. I think there's only one thing that's not, and I will link everything down below in the info section for you so you can check it out. So because it's also a fashion haul, all the clothing that I've purchased I will try it on for you so you can see what it looks like. And I don't know about you, but sometimes I go into a store and I see some things on the rails and I don't really like them, and then I think I might as well just try them on, and then try them on and I do like them. It's one of those where it's very weird for me, so I love watching these types of videos because you might not necessarily like something, but then when you see someone wear it you might really like it. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoy this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also make sure to hit the bell icon just so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that I have in this haul. The first things that I'm going to show you are from Victoria's Secret. So the first beauty items that I have from Victoria's Secret are some lip kits. The first one is the Martha lip kit and the other one is the Jasmine lip kit, and I absolutely love this Martha one. I'm wearing it at the moment. I did get this from America and I fell in love with it straight away, and I use this all the time. Honestly, this is one of my favourite things that I've been wearing recently. I'm wearing the liquid lipstick at the moment and I love it because it stays on all day. It's a perfect pinky nude shade. It's perfect for me for when I'm tanned, also when I'm pale as well, and I think this is a really good lip kit. I think this cost me about £15. You also get 3 things in here as well. So you get a lip liner, a liquid lipstick which is a velvet matte one, so it doesn't feel dry on the lips but it does dry to be matte, and it does last a very long time as well. Then you also get a satin lip gloss as well, and I'm not someone that's crazy about lip gloss. I don't really wear it that often, but ever since I bought this kit I've been using a lip liner then putting the lip gloss over the top, and it just looks stunning. I just absolutely love it. Also it's flavoured, so it does have a nice scent to it as well, that it's not overpowering. So in this kit you get the lip liner in Nearly Nude, you get the velvet matte lip stain in Adored, and you also get this satin lip gloss in Indulgence, and I love this. I just think it's the perfect shade for every single season. It's perfect pinky nude and I absolutely love it. And then I love it so much that I decided to go ahead and get another lip kit, and this one is the Jasmine one, and this one I've actually not seen before. I don't know if I saw this when I went to America. I didn't pick it up even if I did see it, but in here you get exactly the same things, only they're in different shades. I haven't tried this out at the moment, but I think they looked so nice on the website. And in here you get the lip liner in Exotic Berry, the velvet matte lip stain in Drama, and the satin gloss flavoured lip shine in Plumstruck, and I just love these. I think they're really good kits and they'll be perfect for birthdays, perfect for Christmas as well, so you do need to stock up on them because they do have a sale on at the moment, and I think these were only about £15. I also purchased another lip kit, and this was brand new on the website, and I think they're pretty much sold out of every single shade when I purchased this, and this one is the Adored lip kit. So you get the lip liner and the liquid lipstick, and on the website it did look like it was going to be one of those where the lip pencil matched the liquid lipstick a little bit better. I thought it was going to be a different shade because if you compare both of these two on the website, the lip liner looks slightly darker on the website for this kit, and it looks exactly the same as the liquid lipstick in this kit. I am actually happy that I have 2 of the same thing because this is a thing that I mainly want, the lip pencil, because it is really good but they don't last very long because they are so creamy, so every time you use it you do need to sharpen it. But I love it. I think it's amazing, and this is also another great present for someone for a birthday, also for Christmas. I love these. I'm obsessed with them and I will keep buying them constantly because they're just that good. And the last beauty product that I got was in the sale, and this is one of those things where I was £2 off for getting free shipping, and I'm one of those people where if I'm only a couple of pounds off for getting free shipping I will not pay for shipping at all. And I did look at the sale items and I saw this, and this was only about £3, so I decided to go ahead and get it. And this is the Pure Metal Intense Lip Lacquer, and this is in the shade Lights, and this is actually a really stunning colour. I haven't put it on my lips at the moment, but there were 2 different shades that they had. They had this one which is like a bronzy shade, then it also had a golden one as well, and I decided not to get the gold one because I do have one of those in my makeup collection that I still haven't worn at the moment, but it does look really stunning. I've heard loads of great reviews on this and I'm really excited to start wearing it because it's just a really gorgeous colour, and I love metal liquid lipsticks. And the other things that I got from Victoria's Secret are some things that I've been holding out for a while because I have wanted them for a very long time, and the first thing is just this strapless nude bra. I've needed one of these for a long time. I love Victoria's Secret ones. I'm one of those people where if I can find a bra that I know is going to feel really nice on me, I will purchase several of them, and I know for a fact that Victoria's Secret bras are probably the best ones that I've ever had. They just feel nice and soft and they're so worth the money, and I managed to get this one in the sale. I think it was about £20 and it was reduced from like £40 or something like that, so I got a very good deal on this. Also it's a strapless or multi-way one as well, so you can wear it in loads of different ways, and it's also a push-up bra as well, so it does have a little bit of padding in there as well. And the last thing that I got is a Victoria's Secret sports bra, and I've needed a new sports bra for ages and ages, but they're actually pretty expensive. My last one has lasted me about 4 years and it's only just started to go a little bit horrible and lose its elastic. So I decided I was going to go ahead and get one from Victoria's Secret, and I looked on the website and they had one left in my size, and this is what it looks like, and it was reduced to £10, which is a complete bargain. So this is what it looks like at the front. So you have the Victoria's Sport on the front there, and then this is what it looks like on the back. So it has sort of like a shredded back. I've never actually purchased any gym kit from Victoria's Secret before, just because it is pretty expensive. If you look at the prices, they're more expensive than I want to pay for them. So I just decided I was going to go ahead and get this because it was reduced by a lot of money, and I have heard amazing reviews about all of their gym wear. Next I'm going on to fashion items, and the first things I'm going to show you are from H&M, and I don't really shop in H&M a lot. I don't really see a lot of things that I do like in there, but I went in there with my friends and I saw 2 things that I liked, and I was like, I really need to have those, because even they said that they were really good, and I also got 10% off as well because I did open an account with them, which was amazing, so I saved even more money. The first thing that I got is this crop top right here, and this is an absolutely stunning crop top. It looks amazing when you wear it, and it's just a crop top that's quite low down, so it crosses over at the front right there. It's also got short sleeves, and this is what the back looks like. It's also got a little tie at the back as well, so it looks really beautiful on, and I didn't know that this was going to look so nice when I tried it on. I saw it in the hanger, I was like, maybe that looks really nice, so I tried it on and I absolutely loved it. I fell in love with it straight away, and it was really cheap as well. This was £9.99. It feels like really good material. It feels like it's going to last a long time. It looks absolutely stunning when it's on, and it can go with loads of different outfits as well. And the other thing that I got from H&M is an oversized denim jacket, and I know that you guys have probably seen this a lot over YouTube and all over Instagram, but I decided I was going to go ahead and get one of these. Now, I'm one of those people where I do have broad shoulders, so anything that's oversized makes me look really big right here, and I tried it on and I was like, you know what, I don't look really bad, I don't look like I have giant shoulders. It actually suited me, and I never thought I'd see the day that I would wear an oversized jacket and it would suit me. So this is what it looks like. It just looks like a normal oversized denim jacket. This is a size 8, so it does come up quite large because I am usually just a size 8 anyway. You can also roll up the sleeves as well, and I just think it looks really good. You can wear it with so many different outfits. You can make it casual, you can also dress it up as well, and it's really good because it was only £17.99. It's really heavy, it's really thick, and it's not one of those things where you know that it's probably going to rip within a week. This is very well made, and I think it's super affordable. And the last place that I purchased something from was ASOS, and I really like ASOS. I think they do so many great things. They do loads of brands. They also do affordable, also high-end things. They're just one of those where loads of different people can shop on them. They do so many different sizes. They do petite sizes, they do small sizes, they also do plus sizes, they do loads of different sizes. Everything you can imagine is on there, and I decided that I was going to go ahead and look at the shoes because there's these ones that I've wanted for such a long time, but I will not pay the price for them because I basically just can't afford them. So I've looked at the Louboutin Pigalle 100 shoes, and I've been in love with them for probably about 1.5 years, 2 years now, and I know for a fact, no, I'm never going to buy them. They're super expensive. I don't wear heels a lot of the time. I think I hardly ever wear heels unless I'm wearing boots. And I saw these on the website and I thought I'd go ahead and get these because they're absolutely stunning. They're pretty much identical, and the heel didn't look too high. And these are the ASOS Paris pointed heels, and they look absolutely stunning on. I've worn them. I can walk in them, which is amazing considering that the heel is pretty tall, and they just look so much more expensive than they are, and they just look absolutely amazing when you wear them. The size that I got is 5.5, which is the size that I am in every single shoe that I have. I usually go between a 5 and a 6, but if they have half sizes, I go for them. So these also come in half sizes, which is really good because a lot of the time in heels I can't find a size that's exactly perfect for me, because if it's too small then it does make your toes crunch up. If it is too big then your foot starts to slip out, but this is a perfect size for me. I just think this colour is amazing. They do about 5 different shades of nude because the point of these shoes is that they said that they want them to be nude pumps for people of loads of different skin tones. The shade that I purchased is almond, and I think they're just a really beautiful colour. It's also faux leather on there as well. So that's everything in my fashion and beauty haul. If there's any new beauty products you've tried that you really like, just comment down below to let me know, and make sure that you give this video a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!